Myself Gaurav Patel, lecturer in Mullampudi Polytechnic in Navsari in Computer Engineering Department. Today we learn the types of 8085 instruction. So this instruction used in assembly language program for different purpose. So there are total seven type of instruction is there. First one is data transfer instruction, second one is arithmetical instruction, logical instruction, stack instruction, branch instruction, input output instruction and interrupt instruction. In this chapter we learn one by one instruction. First we see the data transfer instruction. There are total 10 type of data transfer instruction. First one is move, second one is MVI, LXI, LDA, STA, LAX, STX, HLLD, SHLD and XChain. So this type of instruction used for transferring a data between memory, register, etc. So one by one we see the data transfer instruction. First we see the move instruction. So move instruction is used for copy a data from one register to another register. Here we see using this instruction 8-bit data copy from 3 way. First one is register to register. That means the one register to another register. Here we see the syntax move R, that means register to register copy. Here we see the example move B, C, that means content of 8-bit data of C register copy into register B. So using this instruction we can copy one 8-bit data from one register to another register. Such a way also copy a register to memory. So in this we see that memory and register, that means the 8-bit data from register to stored into memory. Here we example move B, that means 8-bit data of register B copy into memory. And third technique is memory to register, that means move R, that means the memory to register data. Here we see move B, that means the 8-bit data of memory copy into register B. So that is the move instruction. To keep in mind, that is the main point is that the 8-bit data of register or memory copy from each other, and there is a 3-way register to register, memory to register and register to memory. Now we see the next instruction MVI. Using this instruction 8-bit data stored into memory or register. That means we use this instruction in programming to take the 8-bit data. So here we see the syntax MVI memory oblique register. That means we also use the memory, also use the register and 8-bit content. So here example, we take example for the register. So MVI B, 81H, that means 81H stored into register B. That is the MVI instruction. Now we see the LXI instruction. Same way, it is used for 8-bit and it is used for 16-bit. 16-bit data stored into register pack, because register have a size only 8-bit. So when we also learned in previous lecture, when we use the 16-bit data, at that time we must the register pack, and in this instruction we use the first letter. That means here we use the B, that means BC. Suppose we use D, that means D. And suppose we use HL, that means H, that means HL. So only first is letter is used. So here syntax is there, LXI register pair, RT that means register pair and 16-bit data. Example LXI B, 20 2050, that means 2050 data store into register pair BC. So there are the two parties there in address, higher address and lower address. So 20 is a 8-bit is higher address and 8-bit is lower address. So 20 higher address store into register B and 50 lower address store into register C. So there is a two partition is there. One is stored into one register and another store into another register from the pair of both two. So there is a difference between two instructions. MVI used for the 8-bit data and LXI used for the 16-bit data. Thank you. We see in next lecture.